Pababa na ako. At saka may clearing.
Tara't akyatin ang bundok ng marami.
This is my first time doing a solo hike with just me and a guide, and it did not disappoint. We started the hike from jump off around 5 a.m. One guide was provided and one climber will try to summit the peak of Mount Marami. Mount Marami has a height of 633 meters above sea level with a distance of 18 kilometers, a total hours to hike of around 6 to 8 hours, and has a difficulty level of 3 out of 9. Back trail to, so kung saan ka dumaan, doon din ang pabalik. The first 1 hour consists of downhill and 3 river crossings papuntang first station. Lamang ang patag and konti lang yung ahon. Don't worry dahil hindi naman lagpas tao yung river, basta wag ka lang madadapa. The joke. At the first station, may nabibilan ng water and soft drinks. And also, may napakagandang ilog na pwede nyong pagliguan to cool yourself off if pagod na siya sa'yo. Charot. I rested here for 5 minutes, then tuhog na uli, pasamit. Starting from station 1 to campsite took me nearly 30 minutes. The trail becomes harder since all those 30 minutes is pure assault. Madali lang naman siya, but what made it difficult ay yung maputik na trail. I was informed kasi the day before my hike na malakas yung ulan. So of course, nadulas na naman ako sa matatamis niyang ngiti. Last na yun. Arriving at the campsite, may mga nag-overnight pala ng mga hiker. And I was shocked to know kung sino yung camper na yun. Sikat siya na hiker sa TikTok, so if ever mapadpad to sa feed mo, just wanted to say hi. And a pleasure to meet you guys.
Tao!
Back to the trail. So, starting from campsite to summit took me around 45 minutes. May mga patag, onting downhill, but lamang ang ahon. Dito, nagpaalam na ako sa guide na mauna kasi medyo mabilis ang pacing ko. After arriving at the summit, wala akong feeling. I felt disappointed and sad at the same time. But then I realized na I did it alone. And it's not always about climbing the summit. It's about the perseverance to do it on my own and the adventure I had kahit ako lang mag-isa. And then, suddenly, Mount Marami cleared up, showing me his beautiful scenery and a stunning sea of clouds. Mount Marami listened and gifted me this wonderful view, and I will never forget it. Just as I have mentioned, this is a back trail. So all trail that was shown here ay madadaanan nyo ulit. There are some technicalities din, pero hindi naman gaano kahirap, even for beginners. Overall, this is a beginner-friendly mountain, so I highly suggest for you to try it. Kuya Jeff, my tour guide mentioned as well na may bubuksan silang trail for Trilogy. Not sure if I'm correct, but we'll surely be back to try it pagbukas na. Once again, this is Echo and see you on the next summit. Kaahon.